Have you ever wondered about the best way to speed up your audio or video files using FFmpeg? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the differences between asetpts and atempo in FFmpeg Audio Filters. I totally get it. It can be confusing when you have multiple options for adjusting audio speed. You're not alone in this. Many users face the same dilemma when working with FFmpeg. Let's look at the specific question that sparked this discussion. One user asked, what is the difference between asets and atempo when speeding up audio in FFmpeg? They were unsure which option to use for their audio files. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So, what's the difference? asetpts is primarily used for adjusting the presentation timestamps of audio streams, while atempo is specifically designed for changing the playback speed of audio without altering its pitch. Understanding this distinction is key to making the right choice. And stick around. I'll share a pro tip at the end that will help you choose the right filter for your specific needs. To understand the difference between asets and atempo, let's start with asets. The user should know that asetpts is used to adjust the presentation timestamps of audio frames. This means it changes when the audio frames are played back. On the other hand, atempo is specifically designed for changing the playback speed of audio. The user can use atempo to speed up or slow down audio without altering the pitch. When the user speeds up audio using atempo, they can specify a factor. For example, using a tempo equal to 2 will double the speed of the audio. This is particularly useful for maintaining audio quality. In contrast, using asetpts to speed up audio can lead to pitch distortion. Therefore, for the user looking to adjust audio speed while preserving quality, atempo is the better option. In summary, the user should use atempo for changing audio speed and asetpts for timestamp adjustments. This will ensure the best audio playback experience. Fun fact, did you know that the term FFmpeg comes from the MPEG video standard? It's a powerful tool that has become a staple for video and audio processing. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that both asetpts and atempo can be used to change audio speed, but they work differently. Asets adjusts the audio frame rate by dropping or duplicating frames, while atempo changes the speed of the audio without losing information. They also note that using asetpts can result in some loss of audio quality compared to atempo. It's recommended to try both methods to hear the difference. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user explains that using setpts alone for video can lead to audio and video desynchronization. They recommend using atempo alongside setpts to ensure both audio and video are adjusted correctly. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. This user suggests using the atempo filter for audio speed adjustments, as it is recommended by the FFmpeg official wiki. They found that using asetpts did not work in their tests as the packet presentation timestamps remained unchanged. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your audio after applying these filters. This way, you can ensure the quality meets your expectations before finalizing your project. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between aset and atempo in FFmpeg. Remember, choosing the right filter can make all the difference in your audio projects. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video.